keep driving. Let's make a left turn, see if we can find another car. This is an uncontrolled intersection, so you want to slow down and just look. Make it very obvious. Just look left and right. Over obvious. Nice. Go past these cars. Go all the way down to the end. What is the hazard to your left?
Dogs.
Okay, good. Hey, looking at you too. Okay, we'll parallel park on that car down there.
Okay.
I'm just looking for consistency, good speed control, you being patient, and just remembering the muscle memory of you backing in slow and turning slow and taking pride.
Right.
Okay, and if something happens, just take a breath. Passing again, very consistent. Find another car. Find another car. Always look around when you pull off. Always look. You're more consistent. You're smoother.
Less corrections being made when I'm doing it.
You want to get better. Go up, make a left turn at the street. Coming up again, that guy looks like he's running, not running, but he's running. Okay, make a left turn on the street. You're smoother. You're driving more confidently. That's what I need to see, and that's how you need to feel. You shouldn't feel stressed. You will feel a little bit because someone is going to. Right. You'll be a little quiet.
This one?
Yep, same one. Let's keep it simple. It doesn't have to be perfect. Your speed is good. Your setup is good. This passing is good. Find another car. 45 angle's good. Your speed is good. Slow. Speed control. You're smoother. I see you looking, and you mentioned the dangling earrings. If that is your a competitive advantage, and I hear that or see that as a male, because I'm not earring wearer. Men can wear earrings. I don't think men would wear dangling earrings, but I'm not judging.